guys, it's Chantel with WildBerry Quilting, and today we are opening the Sweetwater label subscription. So let's find out what's inside. This is a once a month subscription and comes in this cute little bag inside your envelope, of course. And it's usually like 1 to 4 different tags that you would use to label your quilts. Looks like this time we got a single tag, and it says, "It's a good day for a quilt, created by," and then it will have your name because it's a custom label subscription. Really cute, and I think I might know which quilt I'm going to use this on. All right, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.